Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to talk about the differences between our EasyTEMP Free and the EasyTEMP Professional version. When you purchase EasyTEMP Professional, you will get a case that looks like this that has a CD-ROM with the program on it and a key. The CD-ROM, don't worry, if you don't have a CD-ROM drive on your computer, the download version from our website is actually the same program. You just need to make sure to install all of the drivers so that the key will work when you insert it into your computer. So you simply insert the key into an open USB slot, and it will automatically unlock the features, the additional features on the EasyTEMP program. Once you open up the program, it will look the same as the free version, except now you'll be able to choose multiple devices. And there's some ancillary equipment that Yalabo doesn't manufacture that will also be allowed. There's an Almimo data logger, Buki reactor controls, height off, and ICA stirrers are also products that can be controlled using EasyTEMP Professional. So similar to the free version, you first go in, select your model, select the interface that you're using, whether it's serial, Ethernet. If you're using Ethernet, you still have to type in the address for the particular device. Right now I'm connecting to the Maggio MS behind me using the Ethernet connection. So now I can continue adding devices. Now I'm going to select the Dynio DD that's right next to me here. And just to demonstrate that you can do multiples, I'll go for the Presto that's across the room from us. Again, this one will be via Ethernet. Once I get done activating them, there will be separate device windows for each unit, so I can control each unit separately. They all indicate that they're online. Well, first things first, I'm going to configure the curves. So when I do the configure curves from the Maggio, now it brings up a total of 7 different curves here that I can display on the graph. A couple of these won't give me a reading that I want to necessarily see, so I'll get rid of those currently. On the free version, you can only graph 4 graph lines. So you would have to pick and choose which ones. Now I'm adding the DD curves to the graph as well. So now I have a whole series of curves for each of the different units. So I can shut off each unit individually or turn them on. I've changed the set point on the computer screen for the Dynio DD, and you will see in the screen it's saying 25C, which is what I set it to. The Maggio is currently running with a set point of 30C, and it tells me that I'm controlled via the Ethernet, which again is coming from the EasyTEMP program. I can also create profiles for each unit in the software, and I can turn on the logging for each unit individually. And set my log times as I'm doing the logging. With the EasyTEMP Professional, your profile can have up to 1,000 steps. EasyTEMP free version, you can only have up to 100 steps. So if you need more steps in your profile, EasyTEMP Professional allows you to do it. It also allows you to set up some of the features on the units, as well, whether to have them go to standby, how many runs that you would like it to have. And each device window can have its own separate graph as well. Another feature is you can print the graphs from EasyTEMP Professional to a JPEG. You can scale the recording patterns, and you can also output it directly to Excel, to an Excel spreadsheet, versus the simple ASCII2 text, which you would have to then import into. You have unlimited curves on the one graph. So right now on the graph, we have curves for all 3 units showing up. You can also have all the units start with the touch of a button. So you go into the menu, select Start All, and every unit would start at once. You can stop all the devices at once as well by selecting devices, stop devices, and it turns off all your devices in one time. And then you can also upload your previous recordings and have it display in a graph in the EasyTEMP Professional program. So we're configuring the curves for a Presto that has both a second external PT100 sensor and an external pressure sensor connected to it. Both of those are optional items, so it gives you a total of 7 curves on the main graph. You can also add those features to the individual control window for the Presto by going up under Device, Additional Values, and selecting them individually. And it gives you the reading and the graphs on the individual window. So those are the main differences between EasyTEMP Free, which can control a single unit, and EasyTEMP Professional, which can control multiple units or other manufacturer's equipment.